Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm myself, the great Johnsonkeyz. Alright, so today I want to just show you some very nice basic chords you should know as a gospel musician. I'll be in the key of C major. Alright, so let me just use this song. You've been fair, full on. It's not always convenient to sing on C. From the hedges past, then you can do 5-1. Daddy, why your name Olaruka Hulahu is forevermore. Okay, so the first move I did in the key of C, I did you've been faithful, so that takes you to a major 6, because you are going to 2. It's actually supposed to be you've been faithful, Lord. You are supposed to move from 1 to 2, but what are the things you can do, like passing chords? So instead of doing from 1 to 2, why not do 1 to V6 major, then go to your 2? So instead of doing you've been faithful or you've been faithful, Lord, that's a good option. I remember teaching this in one of my premium courses, but there are better options. So you can do you've been faithful, Lord. Right. Woo. From the G spa. That is right. Your name. Woo. Is for forevermore. Right. So instead of doing that 1 and waiting to 2, you can actually do 1 and do something like this. A kind of hold and drop techniques, like it starts with the left hand, then the right hand does this alongside with the left hand simultaneously. So you can see the left hand started E to E flat, then the right hand joined it, and they both did D and B, and then C sharp and B flat together simultaneously. Right. So that's one option. Okay, you could do your 13. You could do something like. So you could do something like this. Some of these I've taught before on my channel. There are quite a good number of good tutorials on this channel. Trust me, you might not have seen the ones you want, but trust me, if I tell you that, I tell you that we don't just have 1,000 videos for 1,000 sake. We have videos that can make a professional, real one on this channel. Discover them. All right, so we have this. You could do this. This dominant 13 voices. You could do that. You could do. The whole idea is we are trying to get to 6, and there's also one I do also. We are going from 1 to 2 now. These are different passing chords. You could also do you'll be fair, fuller. Drop 2 even makes it very, very. It even makes it worse because there are just too many options. You could do you'll be fair, or you'll be fair, fuller. You guys need to buy me some cold malt because singing in the key of C is affecting my vocals. You know, to buy me something that, okay, you know what, just take this for stressing you to sing, you know. I'm just kidding. All right. So if you're thinking, okay, I would like to buy you that much, one of the things you can do is you can actually join the channel membership. You can pick one of the perks and just pay for them, continue paying for them. That way you support me. You support me. You know, it takes, people don't even know most times that it takes a lot to do all these free videos. It's free to you that's watching it, but it's not free to me. It's costing me a lot. I have to put light and everything, a lot of stuff together to make this. So what did I do again? So I was doing this also. I've taught this before. I was doing this also. So I always do that before my 5. I don't just go to 5, 2, 5. You know, they've been playing that thing since 1940s. What am I saying? Since 1860s. Yes. So you still want to be doing 2, 5? Come on, when you can do 2, a passing chord even to your 5. That's if you don't want to do 2 and then we want to go to what's it called? the tritone substitution also, right? So you could do 2 this chord, then to your 5. So there are a lot of options. So I'll just end this here today. Then I was doing a size test. Right? If you've not got my intermediate piano course, I don't know what you're waiting for, or maybe you've not heard about it. It's a over 2 hours premium course, not expensive compared to the value that it carries, where I taught a lot of stuffs. I'll just put the flyer on this video so you can see a lot of stuffs I taught, and you get videos, more comprehensive videos than this. You get that, you get MIDI files, you get PDF, and a whole lot of stuffs. So I encourage everyone to get that. God bless you. Right. So God bless you. Bye.